Chairman, the last World Cup final, France for 11 players na starting match no. Emu 8 starting no game no.
Consistency.
Sa omu project na omu ye no. Omu de gi World Cup no. I said na premature no. Na ense da sa. And omu de gi World Cup no. And as our players na available for France na omu de gi World Cup no. Sa players na asa available omu de roam into this Euro. Enra na me share omuni Croatia, omu share Croatia 4-2 or 2018 World Cup final no. Players started ma France no. 8 na available started ma France no. Hugo Lloris on that day started. Benjamin Pavard, Varane. Sa World Cup final no, Varane any Samuel Umtiti and a boy 4 and 5. But now Umtiti Embono, Kimpembe Nebo. And Lucas Hernandez on that day and so started Edema France. And fifth one no, Sa World Cup final na France Asia Croatia boy 4-2 no. Na Kante, Pogba and I think Blaise Matuidi. Benia Blaise Matuidi enya available no. Adrian Rabiot Nebo. Na players miensa normally they attack by the French national team no. Antoine Griezmann, Mbappe and Olivier Giroud. Player in the film no, Olivier Giroud. But Olivier Giroud film no, one e babeshim. Karim Benzema. So among for cast France for betimi asaje the Euros so mbeji Euros ni nyina no. The quality of players are equal the French national team no. Time Moji World Cup no na omo project no na it was not supposed to win the World Cup back then. And omo de G say na players no any project no are quite matured. Now I think say the display of France for the man no I wasn't surprised when we share Germany by that 1-0 now. Germany anti the French has quality. The truth of matter is say chairman they have enough quality. And I think the first game so going forward you know, there are a lot of things that the French will need to address. But in terms of players and they not packs on that day there. No say Germany by 1-0. Me I wasn't surprised.
Obi, yes. And first game no cry, young from free hall. Yeah. And everybody say that football was cruel to Hungary.
Oh, depending on Baby Ujina.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Hungary gave a good. A game on Obi say that it will be a massacre from the start.
Yeah.
They played so well. They had a goal disallowed.
Yeah.
For offside.
Yeah.
Sago no. Me just saw in Portugal near. And that's how do we go Portugal
around the 81st minute.
It was.
I bet then Portugal for Atike at this material. But I said how kind yes as neutrals no basis it was you know cruel. Football has been cruel to the Hungarian side. Osha nipe PM omono Budapest ono omukra 100%
yes
capacity into nipa by record crowd. Now chairman say what share Euros we ya adia sonko ni say your national anthem na obia to be easy chairman
me say
the commitment to the national anthem.
Cristiano Ronaldo to unanim who said there were tears coming.
Yes
to the national anthem
chairman
the wemu no all you printing national anthem so be chiato
yeah na no credit national anthem say I just mama start refi just our mama start
God bless our homeland
that's why because you know but
now Hungary the stadium was singing it
for no the ma omo dey cry so cause ya ball ni we no omo sound to one
almost that is a team that knows that listen we played against some of the one of the best teams in the tournament they losing to the end the fans were happy
absolutely
cat obi omo group no Paris were not very fair to them omo go against the defending champions the same group no World Cup champions room
and on 2014 World Cup champion
as in their same
for the fans
yes
and I was very happy they were in fact South American football wasn't too fair it's like a 1-0 big fine because they played well
they played
no one listened to 3 but the fans still applauded them
absolutely
because they realized that they fought hard
in terms of the effort
two national team was
idea back one
national
idea it was your Black Stars of Ghana Mranti Musia so unya sa national anthem vibe na transmit a certain positive energy to nipa no kra ni stadium or no hwe ofia emanu nya nkranhye soronku bi se nipa no ogina ho no odi ni bibia no be ma oman no And so far from day one till games I run into week 2 of tournament where every national anthem is as critical as the footballer teams but game make us Portugal for will be truly excited. They'll say no, look, I say Ghana, Cameroon, and Nigeria will group back near the Comoros Island and now Somalia Beshem. Now Ghana first match against Somalia for no. There's pressure on Ghana to get to get that maximum point. Basically Portugal for no pushy but I think Fernando Santos Ejitum, especially with the changes or the Rafa Silva or the Andre Silva Renato Sanchez pre-game discussion I make I say Ubo William Carvalho now Ubo Danny Pereira and Pereira, yes, Danny Pereira Ubo Sam Rantie Wemu Danilo Pereira Ubo Rantie Mienu Webomwa unya results no I say England for ball Declan Rice and Calvin Phillips. I was so unya player be intina bebrena cause I was Jack Grealish a because I was so unya attacking players creativity and hungry for himself. Look, the best way to stop this star-studded Portuguese side was to get numbers behind the ball, and they did perfectly so. And we share the difference. We share the value of this Hungarian side, according to transfer markets, we share player or some hungry team, now we have the club side, but the value of this hungry side near 74.5 million euros. The value of the Portuguese team, 827.5 million euros. Into close to 700 million euros difference in terms of the transfer value of Fenra Mranten or Musia Kaino, and let's show the difference in quality. Into hungry for no born say omanya red card. Into I say omo my Jumania Drama Portugal for into omunya draw crano now mulusu to Spain or omunya draw against France, maybe a draw against Germany, maybe they can qualify. I think Marco Rossi a strategy no right, but ansana game we be shase no near him say Portugal ni Hungary share pre du miensa so ni nyina no Portugal afa won say see na movie to 14 games enya dia omo etumi enya win, but the game was won from the bench. Fernando Santos and etumi make a difference in yanti Andre Silva nominate Rafael Silva no be no utumi say ball no flow anymore. Yes, Ronaldo nya chance be around the 42nd minute. It was a simple tapping, but I'm say pressure the ma ball no e fa po no so Diego Jota nya chance be kama, but ni nyina mu no at the end of this whole kabuda no na chese yes the score line, and this is the sort of game where say one shot ball ni bi near catch us Portugal she hungry e come here so man tumi ansemu adabraka one here be say ana hungry for we no masapa o, but agro bia 3 goals ni nyina no by in the last 5 or 10 minutes of the game. And of course while being the qualities are Cristiano Ronaldo, but I was so Banisena Ronaldo bad game nimu, because in the first 80 minutes or so there, especially second half no man who Ronaldo ye Bruno Fernandes man Shedan who ye Bernardo Silva so no say nyoma no yema Man City no, of course it's the first game of the season nyasa control no from Portugal, but changes no Rafa Silva no made and what then for and who defend there Senia Spain ball no omo game against Sweden. Senia Sweden for the defend here, so so no Senia Hungary for the defend. In fact, who defend this out without possession? I am how Brentham into Rafa Silva, Renato Sanchez especially. And I think is it a build up to the Ronaldo goal? Senia the penalty. Rafa Silva Ronaldo ball penalty for the second goal. No, or Senia Renato Sanchez dia who didn't pushy our central midfield not just so and at that critical stage now I'm say Portugal, and for Rafael Guerreiro to be in the penalty box at that material moment shows they were very desperate and that they needed a result. And I guess Portugal and no pay or say at least someone draw against France or draw against Germany, they'll certainly be qualifying. Portugal actually a tournament and Casadia or more any papa and credit to Cristiano Ronaldo. Jose Mourinho ye interview be Nansem Trof Nini Bisano or Bisano John Terry or say leader obisa Mike Lessian or say son obisa Diego Costa or say animal in the positive way and obisa say Cristiano Ronaldo and also goals and Ronaldo is goals we're moving from Nestepo Vesno or Manchester United or mature and or graduate by Real Madrid ball goals. Now in fact Ronaldo are establishing a legendary status for Real Madrid as far as goals here concerned. Of course Juventus I think it's evident Juventus quality in our form kakra with the midfielders are no more in Arthur Melo, Aaron Ramsey, ne partner in attack Alvaro Morata, apart from maybe Federico Chiesa, Benedeschi no nyinano ne Wangro Drado no nyinano enya dia no mbo Ronaldo bebre. So it's all about the goals and so Ronaldo twice say now goals now it's most likely you end the tournament as the top goal scorer. In Tianxia senior group we able to me apani out a very critical group of death and Ronaldo to me Buama Portugal for maximum points no. But said now say DW omo headline omo the mass sports news nenye or say Germany and Hummels caught in the eye of Pogba's French storm. Germany and Hummels caught in the eye of Pogba's French storm. Now the amount grow way no yes when come Germany and in France and he said ball back Mbappe wom, Griezmann wom, Kai Havertz wom, Gnabry wom, Müller wom, Benzema wom, Leroy Sané wom, one biom Mbappe wom. But go nearby and free defender a friend Metal Mills. And it wasn't some Metal Mills the pinball be my Germany now go on one nation. So it meant it was a very tight game. And the only difference was an own goaler, an experienced player, a friend Metal Mills. In fact, Joachim Lovian Pamo no Thomas Muller no free national team. No I said no see corner was all tools from because no here. Following the World Cup in Russia 2018 problems no yam phobia omubedi team nanim and or the Metal Mills any Thomas Muller by nanso na chese Metal Mills na no na was no gina chiro command omo no oni mom na share own goal so it made the game very very interesting but so we game in 90 minutes obeji atum say no cra so Holland any Ukraine match na no question Holland share Ukraine kamiensa amomu timu mienu last minute goal from Dumfries very good goal in fact na also Dumfries share goals ni bebre ansana onya sa winning goal but Yamalenko no many Malos no had other ideas and after the game was evident Holland for no omu here striker wanim ho Van Persie, Ruud van Nistelrooy, Roy Mackay, Marco van Basten, and Mr. Mr. Dubois. And so controlling was central midfielder. Now Frankie De Jong, Wijnaldum, and Stefan and Martin de Roon, no controlling or midfielder. I was some ranting on one on some year sharp. And now Holland for problem. Now in Rasuno, you have problem. Nankasa, our Germany football him. 61% in terms of possession. France 39%. Germany about 10 shots but just one on target. France for about 4 shots but one on target. Germany for 608 completed passes as against 357 for France. And in terms of expected goal ratio no I say ball out boy say ball no so ball is sana at the goal beba na inti ball Germany for boy no in penny for say at least some omunya goal. So my expected goal ratio was 1.16 and France 0.27. Into the expected goal ratio no na ni say France for crown almost best results na a draw because na nya dia France of course almost share offside goals be ibera sansem no but I think say Germany for no omu hia striker bi wani mo ya hwese na Ronaldo aboa Portugal Lukaku so etoto ntrane mienu ema Belgium against Russia now we have Patrick Schick the performance for the Czech Republic against Scotland Penny Patrick Schick first goal no and of course the second goal was a tremendous attempt from this young former AS Roma forward. Okay. Germany for no and Tony Cruz jibon na jise ball no the command Joshua Kimmich no so adane ne ho na just but ni nyina mu no I think say omafe obit say and truth be told Miroslav Klose there I'm so free o free team ni mu no enya de o menya replacement Gerd Müller, Jürgen Klinsmann, Mario Gomez. South tournament where Germany for no amfa a recognized striker man no mo gidie sonko se ebetumi aha omo papa ye de to so mienu 3 back ne de enya de beboa Germany 3 back no bia hu se Mbappe ni Paul Pogba ni Karim Benzema any to an extent Antoine Griezmann no exploiting his space no and moving forward no I was Joachim Low na say obebo 4 back maybe Antonio Rudiger alongside Matthias Ginter na Matt Hummels now a ball the usual Gossin, Robin Gossin or born as a left back no abo Lucas Klosterman because and na dia back when Joshua Kimmich are born as a right wing back ne dear no crack. I mean Sanka 4-4-2 and even a 4-3-3 Albania Kimmich, Leon Goretzka, Toni Kroos I was central midfield but the Kimmich no cartoon 10-10 I think say na coach Nadjeni say Anka Kimmich best stop Lucas Hernandez but Kimmich no as at the time Lucas Hernandez elbow cross ama Matt Hummels ashe own goal no na Kimmich ejina center circle because eya mpempi ne ho e na opese ojina na odi Thomas Muller bem sorry odi Timo Werner bem no krani say Timo Werner confidence na form na Timo Werner no so buy
after winning the Champions League
sir chairman winning Champions League no right but Obianim said he had a very difficult season and most importantly no buy no it says France ashe first goal no more more closely blocks ne kakra into a space not the better to Americano to my exploit spaces are no as a fast or a more of a left inside forward into the ball into no run but France for no close spaces now and also to me and I think said they miss Leon Goretzka because Leon Goretzka ne bet me for ball on a free midfield and dia Thomas Muller no anymore but also no available and also the problem to me buy but France for no a very serious performance professional performance in the first half no 9-10 1 year Mbappe Griezmann na Abrante friend Karim Benzema drop it na Pogba press it Toni Kroos and Toni Kroos versus Paul Pogba battle in central midfield no na fekeke but Edru Baby no na was Kai Havertz ebe boy Kai Gundogan any Toni Kroos because na acquire in fact Andre Rabiot or surprise me ball line no boy alongside Pogba and N'Golo Kante but be brene bisa say na Paul Pogba no and run on my own sample a world class player na ba ni sign Obama United obobo ni sa
as Obo France are a different player Isaac Griezmann the same thing
yes for the man say Oba Oko France only one ebo in midfield
okay N'Golo Kante no mo na chi omo preach
Manchester on Fred him na in central midfield so the difference between our partnership no totally different
but you see it's important say or Man U and say mo no yes omo born on the right side of midfield but generally I was say Scott McTominay and Fred mo na here N'Golo Kante adwuma man no corner him but you see this highlights the importance of Obi N'Golo Kante on the man Daniel drink water ball pa okay Daniel drink water yes yes on the man Jorginho say ne Jorginho a central midfielder we brain as so ni ball N'Golo Kante and I know so ma Paul Pogba and radio Pogba pass or the ma Lucas Hernandez
no Pogba Bobby or Tiafi no dia yesterday no Pogba
yes and France for no that very professional performance but ebiom pencil campaign Benny Rafael Varane who shared the last 20 minutes na Germany na ema pressure pa but Imrante no at the end truth be told I think say that's class all around bebiano and I say the Tolisso any Dembele in a bam Germany ye bear 4 or 5 to Emre Can or the Emre Can bam me saw the Timo Werner ba or the Leroy Sané bam or the Calvin Volant bam ningina na anyejuma Holland sorry France for just 2 changes but Matt Hummels go no concede and so no I was say can want some kakra the power of the cross
yes and the money but let's also stay for a fact Matt Hummels also made up with a very good tackle ball now Mbappe pace or the fan who obi enu say Mbappe go ball na say that tackle or the knife fan Mbappe pace ni dey ehu
and until France for no more attack wa ehu some hit you on the counter so ehu Inti Pogba J ball na so N'Golo Kante to Pogba na Mbappe no ma spread it no problem inti da Obebo Osman Dembele any Mbappe no wow on your no oh problem papa
yeah. Okay, Christian. But Bramana Pogba is in the news again.
Germany for no. I think say the way a coach ne set it up no from the start it was wrong. 3 back and obo players so many pace at the back. Obi anu say match must need pace.
And the place
even Matthias Ginter cry lack pace. And now
against Ginter we no be that ball.
Yeah, pace or lack pace.
Because now you taking too much.
And now you are playing against an attacker. Their major strength is pace.
Yeah.
Again, time I'm share Germany for lineup no. And reminding me of Bayern a Pep Guardiola Man City squad now the ball against Chelsea no. Share Bayern a Germany for a central midfield no. Or place me no omo architect born with someone they can play Tony Kroos and Abrante Feno Ilkay Gundogan. Their players are the architect, they can play, but not a proper defensive midfielder in that setup. Play betimi as Ejumano Joshua Kimmich. But I'm saying since Philipp Lahm retire no, Germany is lacking a proper right back.
No, they have Lucas Klosterman, very good player. On right position no crowd and Konim Bocha and Kimmich.
Okay.
Yes.
Enti no nti obetimi na oji Joshua Kimmich abegire mfimfi. Ono betimi anim Ngolo Kante no. Etimi bate kakra wo mfimfi onom. Se wo match Hummels ball chiri na wo sa place ni ball chiri na they are not protected. Now wo architects omo betimi kura ball dia na defenders no be so much exposed. Again, they were team set attack no. Chairman Onim say obo Serge Gnabry and obo of flanking Serge Gnabry no with Kai Havertz and Thomas Muller. All of us know say Thomas Muller ne major strength ni say obo behind the striker. At Bayern Munich obo as number 10 behind Lewandowski. It's all on the right of a front three. Now as a all limit how effective obetimi aye. It's I was expecting say Ebian Kobobo Timo Werner. Not Thomas Muller play behind Abrantia, your friend Timo Werner. Adeba Kwana Germany ensign ni.
Timo Werner is why
Timo there was all starting.
The only available striker
was all starting.
Because Timo is going to the another dimension be more attack pace.
Yes.
Because the same way now more the pace you use against your defenders no. You can also use pace as your strength.
And that pace no mbinya play Leroy Sani and Serge Gnabry on the flanks. Nabo Timo Werner and Thomas Muller behind Timo Werner. Also, Mamus has space, you know. Tenra in the first place in lineup, we say Germany did not have width. So, Bona say, Serge Gnabry, Obetimama, sa width, you know. Oh, Bona say striker. Now, Leroy Sané, Obetimama, another width, you know, at the bench. The men who can do what to set up in the team, you know. The men because right from the start, you know, I thought say they were going to have problems. But Medica can, the quality of the French national team there. The men who can, Obi Obaka, a friend, France beat me at this tournament, you know. Germany for
no board say Spain. On pass ball na and I think at certain point in time Sanka Thomas Muller more ball short back because Hugo Lloris and who Kaiser Hugo Lloris ye save be. No bon Hugo Lloris and ye save be min Kaiser Hugo Lloris and make a significant save but that own goal I think say Mbappe so ya there because we met Hummels Yamshino. Because now Mbappe ne jina ne chipe nti ball no I mean now was all you be
asset to clear now but now come about the national anthems.
Yeah.
National anthems now. I mean and I say teams no singing on anthems no the passion with which they do it and my Italy Keza what do you say what team akurana ojana nim no akurana so the passion with which he's singing his anthem and me know it does something to you as a renewed motivation say you are playing for millions not just for the 11 players on the field there are millions of people not just football but people who are looking up to you because you are representing an entire country an entire nation and we are just hoping make Invictus Nelson Mandela moving on with Morgan Freeman here and depicting Nelson Mandela early stages of his presidency now South Africans are number 1 sport in rugby.
Yeah.
And now rugby national team now Sinkiama and Yakra. And Omobabe hosted the Rugby World Cup. Omitted the captain, trying to convince them why they should play for the nation. Because at times they were battling with apartheid, race and all that, racism and all those things. But no, some of them they are not playing for themselves, but they are playing for millions of people. So players, they go there and die for the nation.
Absolutely.
And when him said before the tournament, I'm printed the anthem. Edema all the players because some of the players were whites. I know too much into if you are fine or South African, maybe by default. Oh, but no, it's never break any national anthem too. Or print him will be as learn it. Ujina hona your bo anthem na. To name free like from your heart. I think so going forward, Siga Kono, we yebi, Siga Kono, national anthem no. Every member of your technical team, every member of your team, when they come and they are playing, and it adds something. It adds something. Seriously.
You see, sports here, there countries can use to dominate other countries. Me ma typical example, Ghana and the US. But for football, which other area can we dominate them? BBNO. But football, you bet me.
You that dominate.
You bet me at America. Near the Mojina Park, so near show.
Yes, twice in the other World Cup. At the World Cup in 2006.
So we football through
and at the 2010 World
we football through on more. In all spheres of life, any American compete here, we are not even closer to them.
Yeah.
Enti football na kwe another area, any sport another area. Countries adding a bit of dominance in recent times. And maybe a children a pesa dominance. But you say dear, a dem aquaman for the pesa dominance. Space we are seeing no football. It's Ujina Honmoa. Nothing say more like a war and a Ujina man anymore. Or represent woman for a war, trying to get some form of dominance for your country. And I think sometimes players say more like a privilege. Yen you say players now or more privilege. By playing for your national team, the nation rather is doing you so much privilege. Say Ghana has over 30 million people, out of that 30 million people, near you bear 11 pay. Say represent us. It must be a huge privilege for such people. Say,
well, Nansaya Bina, Andy, yan shaman on any more. Nansaya na Cristiano Ronaldo ye Coca-Cola free anymore.
Yeah,
you free him, say. Papa Answaibi.
Oh, yeah, Answaibi, after game.